Good morning. For the past 2 decades, this factory has been my life. Today, we start a new chapter.
Within these walls of reinforced concrete, the true work of the council was carried out, hidden from the world above. From these foundations, we forge ahead, a legacy of continuity built to endure the ages.
Continuity is not merely a goal, it is the foundation of our work. Discipline guides every action, ensuring precision at scale.
Here, amidst the hum of progress, we find our resolution. The work continues.
True progress is not found in novelty, but in the relentless pursuit of refinement.
Delicacy is secondary to function here. What you see are the exact tolerances required for the material to perform under extreme conditions.
And it is here, through a process of continuous refinement, that we build for ultimate endurance.
Built for permanence, these steel columns and beams reinforce the sheer weight and scale of the industrial effort within these walls.